Let me show you all of these screen lock methods on OnePlus 13. So first of all, we need to open a settings, scroll down looking for the security and privacy. Now if we scroll down yet again, there's the device unlock options, and for the screen lock we can find all of the options inside. There's a numeric option which allows you to enter 4 to 16 digits but only in numbers. There's also alphanumeric which allows you to enter basically any symbol like a letter, maybe a number, and also percentage, whatever you want. And then you can also use 4 to 16 letters inside. There's also a pattern which allows you to draw a different pattern to unlock your device. Now the next option is needed. To set up next option, which you can use, is needed to actually set up screen lock before. Otherwise, it won't work. And there's a fingerprint and face unlock. You can unlock your device using a face, and you can also set up a fingerprint, which is located right here. And this is basically every option which you can use to unlock your phone.